This is the symbol of average velocity. Once again, the triangular brackets on both sides, they are indicating average. Action लो. बोल. મોઢું શું કામ ખુલે? મોઢાથી બેક બોલે તું. હા તો હવે ચાલુ રાખો. Average velocity. These two indicates average. V is for velocity. It's a vector. That's why we are putting an arrowhead at the top. Clear? Yes. So that is the average velocity. It is equal to delta x upon delta t. That is, it's the ratio of the displacement and the time interval. That's right. So that's it. Average velocity is the ratio of the displacement of a body and the time interval in which displacement occurs. Okay, so what is delta x? Displacement. Delta t is time interval. What's the meaning of time interval? Probably you would have heard this word, but let's clarify. Suppose someone says that right now the time is 12:20. Okay, right? And after some time the time will be 1. So how much would be the time interval from here to here? It will be 40 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
બધાને સમજ પડે?
Yes.
પાક્કું ને?
Yes.
Time interval is the difference of time. Time interval means
Difference of
of time
time.
and difference change basically. Clear or not? That's why the symbol delta. T is time. This is not time. This is time interval. This is delta T. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
So delta x by delta t is called average velocity. Right? So that's a useful relation. Okay, delta x by delta t is the average velocity of some object. And this is its definition. Okay? Now, let's go over to the next. This is average velocity. Just like that, there is something else called average speed. Have you written it down?
Yes.
Let me go to the next one.
Yes.
Average speed. So, what is average speed? Average speed doesn't have a symbol. To make it clear, average speed does not have a symbol. કઈ લખવાની જરૂર નથી. If you write symbols for average speed, you will get confused with other things. Well, so average speed is simply equal to d by delta t. Little bit like average velocity, but not exactly. It is equal to d by delta t. Who knows the meaning of d? Raise your hand. Meaning of d. Yes, Himakshi. Distance traveled. Here, D stands for
Distance traveled.
Delta T once again, time interval. If you want to write it in words, it will be ratio of what? Distance traveled by a body. And what? The time interval in which it travels that distance. Okay. The unit of average velocity and average speed both is same, meter per second. Look at the formula, you can make the unit. જો કોઈ ના પણ unit છે ને યાદ ન રાખવાનો. I am being very clear. all the units can be calculated or found out just by dividing, multiplying things. Look at average velocity formula. What's in the numerator? Delta x. Delta x unit is unit of displacement is meter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone got that?
Yes.
And unit of time interval will be second. SI unit of time and time interval will be
Second.
So what would be the unit of average velocity? Similarly here, meter per
Second.
here. Okay, same thing. This is all in meter and time interval in second. So SI unit of this is meter per second. The only difference between this and this is that's a vector and this is a scalar.
Scalar.
This doesn't have a direction. Why it doesn't have a direction? Because distance travel doesn't have a direction. Time interval doesn't have a direction. On the other hand, in average velocity, numerator itself is displacement, isn't it?
Yes.
In average velocity, numerator itself is displacement, and displacement is a vector. It has a direction. Got that?
Yes.
So, just like we have had so many sentences about the displacement, we can similarly have so many sentences about average velocity, right? Can average velocity be zero? Try to think about it. Think of the formula. Can average velocity be equal to zero? I'll not make you write this time. હવે સીધું આવડવું જોઈએ. Apply કરતા તો આવડવું જોઈએ. Can this be zero? If yes, how? If not, why not? A little bit too late to the class. Over there, injured.
Yes.
કેમ ધક્કો માર્યો? Okay, Sama, what's your answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Nisha, what's your answer?
Yes.
Dia?
No.
No. Why not?
Sir, because it's in the ratio. So if we divide or do something, it will remain one. How can it be?
How can it be zero?
Yeah.
You have any response to this attack?
No, sir, because the displacement, if it will be zero, then divide by anything, it will be zero only.
What do you want to say about this counter attack? Clear, everyone? Or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Who won the argument? Zero team or non-zero team? Zero team? કે તમને કઈ ખબર ન પડી એવું ન ચાલે ખબર પડી જોઈએ they are of same age as you are, they come from similar school, similar background. Yes or no? કોઈ બોલે તો તમને સમજ તો પડી જાય ને. Are they speaking in some Chinese language? No. Real, what did you understand out of this discussion? Stand up. You know chale, you have to pay attention. Everyone, whenever someone stands up and says something, you make sure you pay attention. Is that clear? સાચું ખોટું જે બોલે મને એ તો બોલશે ને. If they say wrong, your duty is to correct it. If they say it right, then your duty is to mark it and remember it. Yes or no? Correct or not correct? Rudra, what's right, what's not? Can be zero. Why? If displacement is zero, then every velocity can be zero. That's what he's saying. Do you agree with him? He's saying if displacement is zero, then average velocity will be zero. Yes or no?
Yes.
મને લાગે તમે લોકો એક જોરદાર ડિવિઝન વાળો ડાઉટ કાઢવાના છો. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Sit down. Chalo, ek last time. This is the last time I'm going below the level. Oh, go clearly go through. You cannot do it every day. I thought this should have been extremely clear. Rudra had to clearly give you any bell of anything. Okay. What is 0 by 1?
0.
0, sure or not sure? 0 by 5? हाँ तो गम्मे से divide करो. If we divide anything, okay, and 0 is in the numerator. 0 by 5, 0 by 7, 0 by 100, all of that is 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you want to make this 0, how is it possible? Displacement should be
0.
clear or not?
Yes.
Sure
Yes.
or not clear?
Yes.
So 5 upon 5 શું થાય? 1 થાય ને? 0 ન થાય ને? તો 1 થાય. Got it?
Yes.
So delta x should be 0. Then average velocity is 0. Alright? Delta x should be 0. Then average velocity will be 0. Alright, Millie? Can delta x be 0? How? How can delta x be 0? Displacement can be 0. How? Initial, whose value? What value? Initial position and is same. Then displacement will be 0. Then average velocity will also be very good. Sit down. તમને નથી કહેતો physics is all a continuous story. એક એપિસોડ નહીં જો તો એના પછી કંઈ ખબર નહીં પડે. So I'm glad that she remembered that delta x can be 0 if initial position and final position is 0. Was this mentioned very clearly in this very classroom?
Yes.
બરાબર ને? તો એટલે કહું છું જૂનું ભૂલીને તમે આગળ જાણી ટ્રાય કરશો તો બીજા સબ્જેક્ટની ખબર નથી. ફિઝિક્સમાં તો એક જ વીકમાં વિકેટ પડી જશે. અને એકવાર ગયું એટલે પતી જ ગયું. Because everything is continuous. So even if you remain absent someday, please make sure that you cover it. કારણ કે જો તમે 2 દિવસ absent રહેશો ત્રીજે દિવસે વાંચી નહીં આવ્યા ને 2 દિવસનું ભણાવેલું તો તમે એવું એક્સક્યુઝ કરો સર આઈ વોઝ એબ્સન્ટ આઈ ડોન્ટ નો તો ત્રીજા દિવસથી સમજાવવાનું બધું બંધ થઈ જશે ઓટોમેટિકલી. Even if I try, I will not be able to succeed. But એવું વિચારો for example, I want to extend it to someone that average velocity is 0. પણ એને એ નથી આવડતું કે displacement 0 કેવી રીતે થાય તો શું થાય? Can I do it? તો પછી કોનો વાંક? મારો વાંક? છેલ્લે વાંક તો મારો જ આવે. But the truth is completely different. સમજ પડી ને? તમે એમ કહો કે તમને ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ 0 કેવી રીતે થાય ન ખબર હોય તો આ ન જ આવડે. તમે ગમે કરો ઊંધા થઈ જાવ તો ન આવડે. Yes or no? Everyone gets that?
Yes.
એટલે જ કહું છું એડવાઇસ માની લો. રોજનું વાંચી જ લેવાનું હોય ઘરે જઈને. બીજું રાતે જમશો નહીં ચાલશે. ઓકે? પણ ફિઝિક્સ વાંચી લેજો. Do it as if your life depends on it. Only then you're going to see the performance, right? Anyway, so I'm glad that we have identified that average velocity can be 0. Okay, let's go to average speed. Average speed is d by delta. Can this be 0? Yes. Who says yes? One second. Very good. I would hope that everybody would interact. Don't worry about right or wrong. એ તો થવાનું છે. તમે નહીં બોલો તો એ ખોટું જ છે. By default, everyone is wrong. જે હાથ જો કહીને સાચો આન્સર આપી શકે that's right, others are wrong. Anjali,
Sir, because distance
you're saying yes or no first of all?
yes.
Okay, who says yes? Who says no? Okay, present reasons.
Sir, because if motion does not means if it don't travel that fast, then this distance travel will be 0.
Yeah, if the object doesn't move at all, if there is no motion, then distance travel will be 0. Okay, but what if object is moving?
Then
Then also can this be 0?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Who says no? Who says yes? That even if it moves, it can be 0. Sit down. Correct reason presented. I don't have anything to say. Right? It can be 0 only if motion does not occur. Otherwise, always it will be there. Right? It will never be 0 in any other case. Even if the object moves a little, the average speed will not be 0. Clear? આવ્યું ને પાછું રેફરન્સ આગળનો કે નો આવ્યો?
Yes.
આવું જ આવશે. It is all very continuous story, right? The next thing now. Can average velocity be negative? Can average velocity be negative? Yes, no. Who said no? Can average velocity be negative? Reason વિચાર્યું ને કે guess કરો છો. Who says yes? Yes means can average velocity be negative? Yes, it can be negative. You can't guess it. Yes, it can be negative. Okay, nose are more and eyes are less. Okay, fine, put your hand down. What is it? Hero. Yeah.
Because
What's your answer first of all? Let's make it clear to the whole parliament here. Alright?
yes, it will be
Zero. That was not the question.
yes, negative because displacement is so direction.
So,
If object is moved on left side, then negative side will be.
very good. Correct explanation. It is possible that displacement is negative, isn't it?
Yes.
We have seen a couple of cases already that displacement is negative. When will displacement be negative? If the object shifts towards the left side. Because the minus sign is showing direction. So if displacement is negative, average velocity will also be negative. Is that clear?
Yes.
Everyone get there?
Yes.
No comment ready. If you are not understood, please raise your hand. Okay, Ludra, what's not clear? So let's start with the formula. Delta x by delta t. Yeah. Now what's not clear? Displacement can be negative. Do you agree with that first of all or not? No, you don't agree with that? You agree with that? Sure, it can be negative. Definitely. Okay. Fine. Then what's the problem? If this is negative, when you divide, this will also be negative. Is there something else going on in your mind? If yes, you tell me. No? Then why did the doubt arise? Sorry? You didn't listen to it carefully? Now it is clear. What we are saying is that if this is negative, this will be negative. Any further questions?
How displacement will be negative? It's moving left, that will be
So displacement can't be negative.
you can't say no, that minus 3 meter displacement, minus 2 meter
You can't say like that.
displacement. Means we will get the 3 meter
3 meter displacement. We will not say minus 3. Why not? Em એવું ન કહેવાય?
It would be awkward. How
It will be awkward. It is elegant. It is not awkward. It is wonderful. Read the points. One of the point was that sign of displacement indicates. So saying delta x equal to 3 and saying delta x equal to minus 3 mean completely different. Yes or no?
Yes.
So see, there is a minus. The minus is very useful. What does that minus sign tell you? Towards the left side, yes. So displacement is 3 meter towards left side. It means it is minus 3 meter.
But it will not, means it will be in double and not going to be zero.
In real also it will be there. Suppose you assume that left side is negative and I start from here. Okay, you all are observers. I start from here and I move like this. Then I have a displacement. That was my initial position. This is my final position. So it's towards the left side. Yes or no?
But in real life, how it will be? It's in number line, the right side number is
So,
positive and
yeah,
the
of
left
course.
side
So
negative.
in real life you don't have number line. That's what you are saying.
Yes.
I doubt एकदम अंदर से. No, really. He's having this question because he has not understood something all the way back to position.
That understood, but in real life,
In real life, की बात करो. In real life, if you want to describe position, sir, Can you tell me where I am standing? પહેલા origin લેવું પડે કે નહીં ક્યાં? ચલો ક્યાં origin? यहाँ origin લઈશ. ચલો can હા
Okay, yeah.
I am here. Here is origin. Sure. Okay. So now I am standing here. Now suppose. So what is my position?
Final position.
એમ કોઈ મેજર તો કરી હશે ને પોઝિશન એના વગર તો ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ કે જતા 3 મીટર એટલે તે તો નંબર લીધો નંબર પોઝિશન માં નંબર લેવાય રિયલ લાઈફ માં નંબર હોય અહીંયા ઓરિજિન છે એન્ડ આઈ એમ સ્ટેન્ડિંગ હિયર તો આમાં તને ક્યાં નંબર દેખાય ક્યાંય નંબર લખેલો નથી લખેલો ક્યાંય નંબર કોઈ દેખાય નંબર લખેલો तो क्या दिया? The truth is, if you want to observe anything, you have to assign a number to the position. Both starting magazine. Position can only be described by number. Without numbers, talking about position is nonsense. કેના જેવું થાય ખબર છે? Suppose you don't want to use numbers. So તું શું કહીશ? કે I am standing on left side of origin. Yes or no? એવું કહીશ ને? આ origin લીધું. હું હવે અહીંયા આવી ગયો ને તો આઈ એમ સ્ટેન્ડિંગ ઓન લેફ્ટ સાઈડ ઓફ ઓરિજિન તો લેફ્ટ સાઈડ એટલે ક્યાં અહીંયા હોય તો લેફ્ટ સાઈડ જ કહેવાય અહીંયા બેન્ચ ઉપર બોલી ગયો તો હોય તે શું કહેવાય લેફ્ટ સાઈડ જ કહેવાય ને તો હવે શું કરશું do you realize you have to give it some distance you have to link it with a number એના વગર તો પોસિબલ જ નથી તમને તો તું દેવ અહીંયા 3 કહીશ તો હું અહીંયા આવીશ પછી તને પૂછીશ where am I standing તો તું 2 કહીશ પછી મામ આવે where am I standing તો તું 0 કહીશ પછી મામ દે હવે તું ફસાઈ ગયો હવે શું કહીશ ઓલી બાજુ 3 2 1 ને 0 હતો તો હવે આ બાજુ શું -1 આવશે ને એ નો આવે you understand what I am saying એ નો ખબર પડી whether you believe it or not it's a different thing હું તને જે સમજાવવાની ટ્રાય કરું છું એ તો સમજ પડે જ ને that if you say that we have positive numbers on one side then on the other side of origin you will definitely have negative numbers એનો કોઈ ઓપ્શન જ નથી બે બાજુ પોઝિટિવ તો લઈ જ ન શકાય I hope you realize it is going to create more problems than it solves તમે એમ કહો કે સર 1 મીટર આ બાજુ અને ઓલી બાજુ 1 મીટર so where am I at that one or am I at this one तो कहाँ तुम्हारे left right क्यों yes or no make sense you will have to say left or right clear or not clear so left right क्या number ले minus and plus the direction is indicated by the sign એટલે તો one યાદ આવી ગઈ ને તો પડી what does the minus sign indicate direction so can displacement be negative can displacement be negative obviously yes સમજાણું do you also see hopefully you realize that my analysis of what is his doubt was also on target એને doubt એ નહોતો કે displacement કેમ નેગેટિવ પોઝિટિવ હોય એનો એક્ચ્યુઅલ ક્વેશ્ચન છે ને આમ અંદરથી મેં કાઢ્યો કે એને પોઝિશનમાં પ્રોબ્લેમ હતો પણ મેં આવું કર્યું ને તો એને ખબર પડી કે પોઝિશન એક બાજુ પોઝિટિવ હોય એને તો એવું હતું કે પોઝિશનમાં થોડા નંબર્સ આવે એવું જ હતું ને yes or no you can say no if it's fine મારી તો અહીંયા કોઈ વેલ્યુ છે જ નહીં હું તમને બહુ ક્લિયરલી કહું છું તું ના પાડી દઈશ તો મારી વેલ્યુ કઈ ઓછી નહીં થાય ઓકે તને એવું જ હતું કે પોઝિશનમાં કઈ નંબર હોય નહીં તો ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટમાં શું પ્લસ માઇનસ લખવાનું કારણ કે પોઝિટિવ જ આવે
Sir, my question was that your displacement out means you now explain on that numbers we have to put there.
તે નંબર મુકાય કે નહીં એવો જ ક્વેશ્ચન હતો તો શું
No,
હતું
no. That means we were putting the modulus if any minus was coming.
એવું કરતા હતા આપણે ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટમાં એવું ક્યાં કરતા ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટની ફોર્મ્યુલા તો કાઢતો જરા મળી કે નહીં ફોર્મ્યુલા તો તું કઈ પેરેગ્રાફ વાંચો માંડ્યો પાછળના પેજ ઉપર હશે મળ્યું ને ડેલ્ટા x ઇક્વલ ટુ xf minus xn બરાબર કે નહીં?
Yes.
તો એમાં નેગેટિવ નો આવે તો પછી તો તને એવું થાય છે કે ઓલું કોક જગ્યાએ મોડ્યુલસ લખ્યું હતું ઈ તો મેગ્નીટ્યુડ ઓફ ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ હતું. ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ એન્ડ મેગ્નીટ્યુડ ઓફ ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ ઇઝ કમ્પ્લીટલી ડિફરન્ટ. Okay, magnitude of displacement and displacement is completely different. તારા કારણે રુદ્ર નટુ બધું ઊભું રહેવું પડ્યું જાવ કઈ બોલે છે હજી કઈ પૂછવું છે? આઈ લાઈક ધેટ યુ આસ્ક ક્વેશ્ચન તો જ કઈક ડિસ્કશન થાય. ભલે વાર તો લાગવાની છે, ઉતાવળ ક્યાં છે? ફટાફટ ભણાવી દે તોય કઈ ખબર નહીં પડે. એના કરતા ધીમે ધીમે ભણાવે થોડુંક જે ખબર પડી જાય. યસ શું ન ખબર પડી યાર? હા તો હવે એમાં શું થાય? હવે કેટલી રાહ જોઈ તારા માટે? હું ફ્રી નહીં હોઉં. બહુ clearly suppose it is very difficult to find you. Okay, all right, sit down. લખી દે ફોર્મ્યુલા લખી એવરેજ સ્પીડ ની. d એટલે શું? ડિવાઇડેડ બાય ડેલ્ટા t. ડેલ્ટા t એટલે ટાઈમ કે ટાઈમ ઇન્ટરવલ. બસ ડિવાઇડ ડિવાઇડ કરી તો જે આવે that whatever એટલું જ છે. રેશિયો ઓફ ડિસ્ટન્સ ટ્રાવેલ્ડ એન્ડ ટાઈમ ઇન્ટરવલ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એવરેજ સ્પીડ. Yeah, so can average velocity be negative? Yes, if displacement is negative. Can average velocity be zero?
Yes.
If displacement is zero. Can average velocity be positive?
Yes.
If okay, so what does the sign of average velocity indicate? Direction. One second. Because average velocity is a vector. Basically બધા vectors માં એવું છે. The sign indicates direction. Got it? The sign indicates direction. Fine. Now based on this, let's solve the first example from the book. First example પૂરો થશે પછી 11 નું ચાલુ થશે. અત્યાર સુધી જે આવ્યું મોસ્ટલી 9 જેવું જ હતું. I remember a little bit about this. Hopefully I am right. Okay, same equation. A car is moving along a straight line, say OP, in the figure 3.1. Alright, the figure is given on a previous page, that is page number 40. At least in this book it is page number 40. Figure 3.1. Did you find it? Okay. So a car is moving along a straight line, say OP, the figure 3.1. પહેલી વાત warning આપું છું. Example નો meaning એવો નથી કે તમે solution જ જોઈ નાખો. Okay, I have told you multiple times. If you ever see the solution, don't expect me to help you. એટલે કોઈ દિવસ એવું તો કઈ પૂછતા જ નહીં કે આમાં આ લાઈન નથી સમજાતી સર. હું તો સીધે એમ જ કે ઊંધું ગળું દબાવી. કેમ જોયું? Did you understand? Got it or not?
Yes.
Okay, so never ever see the solution. Example solution જોવા માટે નથી હોતા. Example solve કરીને compare કરવા માટે હોય. Okay, I have done it like this. And what is done in the book? Do they have a better method? ખાલી એટલું જોવા માટે જ હોય example. So let's start. Car is moving along a straight line. Say OP is the figure 3.1. It moves from O to P in 18 seconds and returns from P to Q in 6 seconds. Understood? So let's draw. Start from O. P અહીંયા છે જો તો diagram બરાબર. Is this right? આ છે Q. અને અહીંયા P. Okay, what is the distance of Q here? And marking is 240 meters from here, right? Okay, 120 like that, it will be 240. Okay, then this is P is at 360. Okay, very good, nice number. So what is given? The vehicle starts from O, goes to P. And then you draw कर जाओ તમે. Okay, goes to P. Then did you all draw? સાથે સાથે કરવાનું ભૂલી ગયા શું કીધું તું? પછી નહીં કરવાનું, સાથે કરવાનું. So O to P and then from P to Q. પાછું draw કરવાનું ને. So starts over here, initial position and finally till here. So this is final position. Did you understand what I have marked? Yes or no? Are you there? What do we have to find? Read it. Average velocity and average speed of the car in going from O to P and then B going from O to P and back to Q. So there are two questions. Let's do A part first of all. In A part we just have to, okay, so this is wrong. This is figure for Q second part, not the first part. तो पहला B करना क्या है? बना के B पहला. It doesn't matter actually whichever you do first because we have drawn the diagram. Let's keep it that way. Right? So this is final. So in B part C it says you have to find average velocity, average speed for what? O to P and then back to Q. Did you understand what I have written?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
O to P to Q. Clear? So first thing that we have to find out is average velocity. Average velocity formula delta x by delta t. So if you want to find this, you have to find this. Delta x. What's the formula of delta x? Final mass initial શું પણ xf minus xi, x2 minus x1. So what is final position? Raise your hand. Everything is in front of you. कोई secret છે નહીં, બરાબર? Everything is in front of you. Look at the figure, Nandini. xf is 240. Who agrees? Who disagrees? તમારા ક્લાસમાં disagree નથી કરતા, એવું મજા ન આવે. xf is 240. Correct. Well done. It's right. Sit down. Now Dhruvi, what is xi?
0.
Why? Yes, this is the initial. Did you mark like this in your diagram, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Sit down. If you have it, રાખજો. So this is it. Clear? So this will give you 240 meter is the displacement. But we don't want to find displacement. We want to find average velocity. So sorry, આગળ formula delta x by delta t. Okay, have we found delta x? Yes or no?
Yes.
240. Okay, divided by what is delta t? How much time did the car take to go from O to P to Q? આમ જઈને આમ પાછો આમ. How much time did it take?
6.0 seconds.
6.0
second.
Who agrees? 6.0 second. અરે યાર તમે લોકો એકબીજાને જોઈને બહુ ડરી જાઓ છો કે બહુ કોન્ફિડન્સમાં આવી જાઓ છો. You don't know how deceptive physics is. Who disagrees? બાકી બધા so કાં 6 કાં not 6 બેમાંથી એક જ હોય ને ત્રીજું શું લાવ્યા તમે? I want to know. Here what's your answer? No. Then what is it? If it's not 6, what is it? 60?
18 plus 6.0.
18 plus 6.0. You mean to say 24? Raghav, what's your answer?
Sir, no.
No, not 6. Then what is it?
Sir, as he explained, we have to add 18 plus 6.0.
Okay. Your answer? 24. 24. 24. 24. Not 6. Sit down. 24 is right. See, it's very simple. કોઈ સહેજે અઘરું બનાવવાનું નથી. Going from O to P and coming back. So O to P took 18 seconds, yes or no? And then also coming back from P to Q takes 6 seconds. So how much is the total traveling time? 24. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure. 18 seconds to go there and 6 seconds to come back. Got it? So denominator will be 24. So this is going to be 10 meter per second. Okay. This is positive or negative? Positive. This means average velocity is towards the right hand side. Got that? Sure. Okay. Next thing, we still have to find average speed. Yes or no? In the same question, let's continue. Average speed formula is d by delta t. Okay. Who can tell me what is d now? D. What will be d? કોમન સેન્સ મૂકી ન આવતા પાછા હમણાં જ આવી છે ઓકે યુઝ કોમન સેન્સ what is d once you are ready please raise your hand આ સંપૂર્ણ નહીં થાય ત્યાં સુધી ઘરે નહીં જવાનું ભલે ગમે એટલી ભૂખ મને લાગી ઓકે yes mantra what's your answer
480.
480 who agrees hey to answer આપતા પહેલા વિચારવાનું પછી નહીં mean 480
480 only, sir.
480 sure who agrees 480 હું નથી કહેતો આ લોકો કહે છે જોજો who disagrees yes he is 600 okay who agrees with her 600 all right sit down any other answers anyone let's see what happens here 480 is correct going from O to 360 how much would you have to travel 360 yes or no make sense or not एक एक step लेता जाओ 1 2 3 4 you'll have to travel up to 360 so 360 clear and then you have to come back so starting from 360 you'll have to go to 359 358 like that up to 240 so here do you realize you'll have to travel 120 yes or no yes or no so 360 that way and 120 back so how much 480 is that clear 360 120 what's your question આગળ તો વાંચ O to P ઉભો રહી ગયો પછી આગળ કોણ વાંચશે O to B to Q I don't think I need to respond to that query
That is getting plus question.
મળ્યું કે નહીં તને O to P જ લખ્યું છે પાક્કું બેયમાં O to P જ લખ્યું થાય છે બધાને ચોક્કસ Did you find something? Yes, no?
Yes.
What did you find?
And back to Q.
Sorry?
And back to Q.
And back to Q. That is given in which part of the question?
D.
And which one are we solving?
D.
So, attention. Okay. Concentration રાખો. મોબાઈલો મચડવાનું બંધ કરો. Sit down. અને વધારે પડતું ભણવાનું નહીં. Okay. How many of you sleep more than 6 hours a day? How many of you sleep more than 6 hours a day? બાકી બધા 6 hours થી ઓછું સુવે રોજ. થોડીક એની effect. I can tell you that. Sleeping 6 hours a day is necessary. એનાથી ઓછું નહીં સુવાનું ગમે તે થાય ગમે એટલું ભણવાનું હોય. ઓકે આવું કેવું આવું તમને પહેલી વાર કહું કે કીધું છે ને અરે સીધી જ વાત છે તમે રાતે જાગશો પછી અહીંયા દિવસે ઊંઘતા હશો અડધા પછી એમાં ક્યાં ફિઝિક્સ આવડે આવડે કે ન આવડે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ફિઝિક્સ એમ થોડો ટફ સબ્જેક્ટ તો છે તમે ગમે એને પૂછ લેજો મને પૂછો તો હું જ કહું છું હું ફિઝિક્સ ભણું તો એમ કહું છું ફિઝિક્સ ઇઝ અ ટફ સબ્જેક્ટ કમ્પેર્ડ ટુ અધર રાઈટ So concentration is very important for us. અને આમ આંખ બંધ થઈ જતી હોય એમાં સમજાય so be careful anyway so 20 meters per second is the average speed clear or not yes. In which direction right side or left side right side or left side right side sure yes who agrees બધા ખોટા average speed is a scalar does not have સમજી ગયા ને સમજી ગયા કે ન સમજી ગયા એવરેજ સ્પીડ ઇઝ અ સ્કેલર યાદ આવ્યું કે નહીં તો પછી ડાયરેક્શન ક્યાંથી આવે તમારી હાઈટ ને ડાયરેક્શન છે તમારા માસ ને ડાયરેક્શન છે આટલું આ બાજુ આટલું માસ Yes or no? Turn it off now.